someone who is very dear to you. I'm very sure of that. I want you to tell me what vacuum his demise has created, and what are the ideals, the lesson takeaway from his life.
Well, for me, I know his family, people like me, have lost somebody we can call a father. But most importantly, our nation, Nigeria, have lost something very, very, very important. Somebody who fearlessly, courageously fought for justice, fairness, and what is right. And most importantly, remain consistently consistent to the end. Not often do you see people remain consistent in this part of the world. They might start it and soon compromise, or it becomes transactional. But he deprived himself of every form of inducement, deprived himself at the cost of his life. He remained consistent. That is very rare. And that's what we wish for our country. He wanted a better nation. He wanted a new Nigeria. And that's what we should all strive and work hard for.
Thank you very much.